Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a triple chocolate tart. So let's get started. To make the chocolate cookie crust, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, add in the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, and salt, and mix them together until they're combined. Then add in the melted butter and mix them well together until they're well combined. Then pour it into an ungreased tart pan and press it all over the bottom and up the sides of the pan until it's completely covered. If you don't have a tart pan, you can just use a pie pan. Then bake it in the oven for about 10 minutes until it's set. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. To make the chocolate pastry cream, in a medium saucepan, add in the sugar, cornstarch, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the egg, whole milk, and chopped semi-sweet chocolate, and place the saucepan onto the stove over a medium heat. Whisk the ingredients to combine them, and heat the mixture until it just starts bubbling and thickening, whisking it occasionally so it heats evenly. Once it's starting to bubble and thicken, whisk it constantly over the heat for another minute so it really thickens and to get rid of the floury taste. Then remove it from the heat and add in the butter and vanilla extract and mix them together until they're combined and the butter has melted into the mixture. Then pour it into the cooled crust, level it out, wrap it in plastic wrap, and place it into the fridge or freezer for about 15 minutes until the top is starting to set. While it's chilling, you can make the chocolate ganache. Add the chopped semi-sweet chocolate into a small bowl. Then add the heavy cream into a small saucepan and heat it on the stove until it comes to a boil. Then pour it into the bowl over the chocolate and let it sit for a minute to help melt the chocolate. Then stir it until it's completely smooth. Once the top of the pastry cream is starting to set, remove it from the fridge or freezer and pour the chocolate ganache on top and spread it out until it's even. Wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for at least 2 hours until it's well chilled, and keep it refrigerated until you're ready to serve it. When you're ready to serve it, remove it from the fridge and carefully remove it from the pan and place it onto your serving plate. If your pan doesn't have a removable base, then you can just serve it still in the pan. Then pipe on some whipped cream and top it with shaved chocolate. And that's how to make a triple chocolate tart. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.